Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe. This Hyundai is powered by front-wheel drive 4-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 89,828 miles. Discover unbeatable value with this 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe. Reliable, spacious, and fuel-efficient, it's perfect for families or adventures. Don't miss out on this excellent opportunity. Drive home your new SUV today. This pre-owned Santa Fe comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, alloy wheels. To keep you entertained, this Hyundai Santa Fe is equipped with Bluetooth. Safety was put first by the following features: traction control, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.